G'day everyone, Sputnik here, giving you the juice, the amazing, heinous trade setups where we will make filthy money. We don't trade with the herd, we just look at the price action and we go in with a plan. So let's get to it. This is for Ethereum, so I've got the weekly chart up. Let's see how we do this. So what's happened in the last week? We violated this weekly zone, and we've got another zone below us here at 2,700. So the markets, I think they're anticipating a move up from here, but we don't do what everyone anticipates. So I'm expecting a pullback. It may or may not happen, but if it happens, this is juicy. So if we come onto our daily chart here, we'll have a look-see as well. Let's just reset this view. Again, we've swept all this liquidity and we put this huge wick in there. So this is now a baseline. And again, people are expecting move up from here. So something like this could happen, but I'm not in an Ethereum trade. But what I am looking at is along roughly from the 2,900 to the 2,700 mark. Wide zone, yes. But let's just go into what is in our favor for this trade. So take off this dirty stuff. Here you can see on this move up, we had 5 waves move up from this low that we put back in August. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm looking at the 3-wave correction. So I've drawn it in like this. Potentially people have seen it as, well, this was the C wave. Okay, could be, and if that's the case, we're moving up from here. But I'm putting it down lower. We've got this golden pocket at this region from the low of August to the high we've put in mid-December. You could also draw it slightly different. We could say bring it from that wave there, which would bring us to the 786, which is 786 is also a good fib level. So that's the Elliott wave count. What else do we have here that's in our favor? Well, you can't really see anything. If we're looking at the daily zones, so a lot of traders will be looking at this. They'll be looking at this new daily demand that we've created here. A lot will be longing here. A lot of people will be shorting at this level from the 3.2 to the 3.1. But then we've got this wick going down to the 2.9, right? So potentially some people have got this as their daily zone coming down there, and we'd have a lot of stops here. So the market makers will be trying to grab that liquidity. Okay, so if we fail that, if we push through that, a lot of traders will be looking for this 2,475 level, this supply, this demand zone down here. But if we go to the 6-hour chart, what do we see? We have a bit of an order block here. Okay, and then we've also come down to the 4-hour. It's there as well, but on the 8-hour, it's not there. On the daily, it's not there. So it's on a macro scale, you can't really see anything there. So people aren't looking at that. So basically, if we come back to our 4-hour chart and we put our Elliott waves on, you can see that this golden pocket is right on that level. It's right on that 4-hour order block. And then pulling the fib up to that November low. We're on the 786. So it's to me that this is a key level. So if we're coming up, so I'll turn all this jazz off. If price is coming up to the 3,600 level, you know, we're going to have a lot of retail opening longs, and if we can just correct back down, go through here, this 3,200, and then just heinously bleed down, everyone will be losing their mind. Once this level gets out, YouTube will be all bearish. Once we get down, so once we break the 3,100, everyone's all bearish. You got all the thumbnails, people crying, screaming, selling all their crypto. We're coming down to the 2,900, all hell's breaking loose. Donald Trump said crypto's a Ponzi, he's delisted Trump coin, whatever. Now we're coming down to here. This is where I'm looking to buy. So this is the juice, people. So from this point here, 2,800, if we're moving up, if this bull run is going to continue as it has in the past, I'm targeting huge moves, you know, ultimately getting up to that $8,000 for one Ethereum. So that's a juicy long, and we just ignore all the white noise, which is all the YouTubers, including me, I guess, and then we take this to the moon, people. This is a 32-to-1, so you're putting any sort of margin down, lowish leverage, but you know max 10, anything from 2 to 10 you could do on this. But the key is just to wait for this level. All right. Thanks, everybody. I hope you take this trade. I hope you kill this trade. And I hope you are all blessed. And let's get this crypto.